You want to kickstart your tech career and learn coding online? Keep watching to discover the best online learning platforms for coding that will help you master the skills that you need to succeed in the tech world. All right? So I'm going to give you 5 examples, the top 5 over here. Now, learning to code can seem like a big challenge, but with the right platform, you can gain the skills that you need in no time. All right? Now, whether you're a complete beginner or you're looking to level up your coding abilities, these platforms offer great resources and courses to help you succeed. So here are the best online learning platforms for coding to jumpstart your tech career. All right? You got Codecademy, okay? And I'll put these all in the description. Codecademy offers interactive courses on a variety of coding languages, from Python to JavaScript, making learning hands-on and fun. There's also number 2, Udemy, which has thousands of coding courses for all skill levels, taught by industry experts. There's Free Code Camp, okay, which offers a full curriculum for learning coding and web development, and it's completely free. Coursera, okay? Coursera partners with top universities to provide coding courses and certifications in fields like web development and data science. You got edX, offers a wide range of coding from courses from university like Harvard and MIT. So, learning from the best in the field, okay? These platforms can really help you to get your coding skills that you need to jump into tech world and start your career. And if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.